All right, team, stabilize the load. We're going in.
Tensioning line 1.
Hold steady, waves are picking up.
Copy that. Watch the starboard side.
Tensioning cable 1.
Cable 1 tensioned. Lowering rig.
Roger that. Lowering rig.
Oxygen levels are stable.
How are the hydraulics looking?
Hydraulics pressurized. All systems go. Regulator check complete. Air is good.
Copy that. Ready to proceed.
Cameras are organized and ready for deployment.
Umbilical connected. Gas pressure checked.
Roger that. Diver B, systems green.
Systems green. Ready to dive.
Lift commencing. Watch the suction brake.
Copy that. Stand by for sand eruption. Watch that line tension. Crane, take it slow. We're almost there.
Clear on this side.
Set her down. Steady. And hold.
Hold steady. Lowering complete.
Starboard side secured.
All tight. Good work, team.
The corrosion on these cylinders is extensive, and the hoses are completely compromised. The readings confirm structural failure.
All right, bring it down slow. Easy, easy. Watch your side. Looks good. Set it down. Secured.
Left side secure.
Right side secure. We are ready for tension. Copy that. Coming up slow.
The corrosion here is severe. It looks like salt damage has compromised the wiring harness.
I agree. The resistance readings are completely out of spec.
Watch the clearance on that track.
Got it. Bring it over to the right now. Easy.
Ensure the shielded cable connects directly to the primary control module.
Confirmed. Pin layout matches the modernization schematic.
Running the diagnostic now.
All right, lower it slowly. Easy now. Coming down onto the mounts. Look seated. Hold it steady. We're clear to secure.
Open the valve slowly.
Valve is open. Pressure stable at 500 psi.
Connection's clear.
Make sure it's perfectly smooth.
Done. This side is complete.
Listen to that beast. Oh, runs smooth, doesn't it?
Okay, engage the hydraulics now. Keep an eye on the pressure differential.
Hydraulics engaged, pressure is stable, beginning the swing test.
Initiating track movement now. Pressure looks good.
Confirmed. Hydraulics are responding perfectly. Smooth extension.
Successful run, gentlemen.
Look at her shine. The restoration is complete.
She's ready for another 20 years of work.